When we print different types of sign, we need to prepare platform glue of different concentration. When print a full surface or diamond sparkling surface, recommend using a 1 glue, 3 water ratio. When we just print single side of sign, recommend using a 1 glue, 1 water ratio. After mixing glue, don't shake the bottle vigorously up and down to avoid creating air bubbles. Rotate the bottle gently to fully mix the inside liquid. Recommend to let the mixed glue sit for 6 hours after shaking before use. Eliminate air bubbles trapped within the liquid. Part 1. Apply the platform glue of AS80. Prepare the mixed glue and a glue scraper tool. AS80 platform need use around 80 milliliters of glue. Use the glue scraper to spread the glue as evenly as possible. If there are uneven areas on the platform, add little more glue. Then continuously apply the glue to even. Scrape excess glue to the edge where it won't affect printing. Apply until achieve like this effect until the whole surface of platform is fully covered by glue visually. Manually heat the bed to 50 and wait 20–30 minutes for the glue drying. With the heating of bed, the milky white glue on the platform will become transparent. When the entire surface turns transparent and no liquid glue, you can start printing. Part 2. Clean the platform of AS80. Use a dry cover to shield the wiring box behind platform. Avoid liquid infiltration. The AS80 need us around 81 ml water to clean the platform. Spread water over the platform with hand. Wait for 5–10 minutes. The glue will turn soft, then you can gently peel off the layer of glue on the surface with your hand. After remove most of glue, then scrape away any remaining residual glue with a small shovel. Finally, wipe the platform dry with a clean towel. No need to dry platform completely, as we will apply glue again right away.